Today's Friday, July 17th, 2:28 p.m. Market's still open, but I am done for the day. Let's look at our accounts here. I traded the 150Ks, trying to get these passed. So we have 541, 608, 650, 782, 658. Total of 32.39 for the day. And that is for Friday. We had some wicked moves today, which was great if you knew where to take trades or were trading micros. All these 5 evals here. So we're coming along. We should be able to pass these within the 20 days that our goal is. So 32.39 today. Let's go over the market. Okay, like I said, this is a 4-hour chart. These are my daily levels. This is yesterday's price action, the high, the low. We broke the low and it just tanked. As you can see here, this is the overnight. Sold, and that was, let me see, that was London, and went into the open. This is the 5 to 9 o'clock 4-hour candle. As you can see, we have some major wicks. So we clear this wick, and if you go and look back, I was looking at these levels here to get taken out. Big levels, those are all daily levels. All these 3 levels got taken out, and then as soon as that took out, we had a rebound. And this is a 4-hour candle, so that is a big move. And it was wise for you today, unless you're just scalping short, to use micros. So I was waiting for those daily levels to get hit. I bought down here, and I was looking for this candle here to get taken out, which 9 o'clock candle here, and it just went up. So it cleared this 4-hour, this 4-hour, and this 4-hour. Did not quite get to yesterday's low, but you can see this 4-hour candle, lots of resistance down here, and it went straight up. Let's take a look at this. Okay, this right here is my uniwrinkle chart. And what I have on here, let's go to data series. This is uniwrinkle, you can download it, it's free. The tick trend on there is 80, the offset is 20, and the tick reversal is 160. So what that means is, for every bar, like for instance, this bar here, for every bar here, the difference between this bar here and this bar here is 80 ticks. So as soon as it prints a new candle, you could take your buy and have your stop loss below here. Then you could take your buy, have your stop loss below here. Now, these are big moves. So that's why you definitely want to use micros. Some of these candles I scaled in. When it came down, I scaled in. But ultimately, your stops would be below this previous candle. And so the reversal candle, which is like, then we had consolidation up here. Look at this. We had a red, green, red, green, red. These are all 160 ticks. Let's see. You could have traded this in the range. But I was waiting for the reversal to come to get into this trade. And we eventually took out this low. These are swing. I added this to my indicators, which I really like. Shows you the price action, which I was looking at anyways with the candles. But this gives you a clear visual. That way you don't have to like go back and try to, figure out where it's at. But you can see here, that is the price action. That's what's happening right now. So let's see here. And let me zoom this out so that way we can get an idea. So the shaded area is from 8:30 to basically 5 o'clock when the market closed Eastern time, or 4 Central time where I'm at. Market open, went up, and then it just tanked until we got down here. And this would be your signal to go. Take the long, you have more than one candle, and so it pushed all the way up. Just that move alone could have, even with micro, could have got you good profits on that. So, and once this happens, you could just trade from level to level, like trade these here to this, broke that. Now you're going to this one, which we got down there. And that's how you would trade these. But micros was the way to go, because if you were in full contract, you would have been, even with micros, I was down like $800 on like 3 micros, but I got big accounts, so I can hold the withdrawal until it comes back and takes my levels. But that is, when I come in the market, this is what I saw, down, down, down. So I assume we are going to take this down out, which we did. And then we started reversing. And of course, these are 4-hour candles. And you can see how it really respects the levels. You could actually trade 4-hour to 4-hour levels. Like as soon as I saw this, I was looking for this to get taken out. And eventually this is the next high, which we did. So those were pretty great moves. So we are done. That is, 32.39 for Friday. Had a really great week. We had 4, 5, 10, 13. We had about $18,000 week for the whole week with all the accounts. So keep these going. I want to average these at about 400 to pass it within 20. And if I can squeeze more out of it, I will. The PAs I didn't trade. I'm trying to stack these up so that way I could really concentrate on trading those once I'm done with passing these evals. So hope you guys had a good week, and we will see you again on Monday or Sunday.